advanced level chemistry 2000 and, June 2024. So I'm going to show you all the multiple choice. We're actually doing the multiple choice here, so you're going to see all the multiple choice so that you prepare yourself very well for your exams. You can revise it after if you want to. So you can come back after and watch this video. So if you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. Without wasting of time, let's dive right into it. Questions 1 to 35. 35 questions directions. Each of the questions or incomplete statements in this section is followed by 4 suggested answers, and select the best answer in each case. Question 1. Molar mass is the mass of. Correct answer is B, which is 1 mole of a substance. So molar mass is 1 mole of a substance. The mass number of an atom is a sum of the number of. Correct answer is B, electrons and protons in an atom. Why are some ionic compounds like AgC insoluble in water, which is a polar solvent? Correct answer is A, their lattice energy is higher than their solvation energy. The mass of 1 mole of calcium is 40 grams. What is the mass of 1 calcium atom? Correct answer is D. So D is the correct answer. Nitration of benzene takes place in the presence of a nitrating mixture. Identify the nitrating mixture amongst the following. The correct answer for 5 is D. So D is the correct answer. Question 6. When compound X is heated with concentrated ethanoic acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, compound Y of molecular formula is formed. The molecular formula of compound X, the correct answer for 6 is B. So B is the correct answer for this molecular formula. 100 centimeter cube of 0.10 millimeter metal solution of a certain metal chloride require 200 centimeter cube of 0.20 m solution of silver nitrate for complete precipitation of the chlorides. The right formula for the metal chloride could be, the correct answer for 7 is A. H2 and O2 decomposes according to the equation this. What is the rate of disappearance of H2O2 with respect to the rate of formation of O2 gas? Correct answer is C, which is half or 1/2. Identify the energy changes involved in the reaction of. So they give us this formula. They say we should find the reaction. The correct answer is B, which is ionization of atium and electron affinity of fluorine. The Bragg's equation is given by 2 ethanol. So they gave us this equation. They say the equation represents what? The equation represents, the answer is B, distance between 2 layers. Which of the following oxides is solid and acidic? Correct answer for 11 is D. Identify the pair of S block elements that show diagonal relationship. Correct answer for 12 is C. What are isomers? Correct answer for 13 is C. Compounds with same molecular formula but different structural formulae. So that is it. Contamination as applied to carbon chemistry is the ability for carbon to, correct answer is A, form compounds involving only carbon atoms. The ground state electronic configuration of nitrogen with atomic number 7 using SPDF notation is, correct answer for 15 is C. So C is the correct answer. A cell is constructed using the following 2 half cells. So they gave us the formula. They choose the correct cell diagram of the cell. So the correct cell diagram here is, the answer is A, right? The overall reaction of this formula is best described as, correct answer for 17 is C, nucleophile substitution. So the sulfates and carbonates of Mg, Ca and Sr are insoluble or sparingly soluble in water because? Correct answer is B. Their lattice energies are higher than the hydration energies of the ions. Raoult's law is stated as, correct answer is D. The partial vapor pressure of a component in a liquid mixture is the product of its mole fraction and its pure vapor pressure. Why is it that lithium is the only metal in group 1 of the periodic table without a fourth ionization energy? Correct answer is C. It has only 3 electrons in its atom. The correct systematic name for the compound this, so they gave us this formula, they say is, the correct answer for 21 is D. So 22, Hoffman degradation is used to convert ethanamide. They gave us the formula to metallanite. They gave us the formula. Give the reaction and give the reagent and reaction condition. Correct answer for 22 is C. Which of the following is not a property of T block elements? Correct answer is C, which is they have low melting points. Indicate the type of organic reaction that ethane, so they gave us the formula, and hydrogen chloride could undergo. Correct answer is C, electrophic addition. Bronsted-Lowry defined a base as, correct answer is C, a proton donor. The weakest bond among the following is, correct answer for 26 is C, Br minus Br. The pair of isomers, correct answer is B, geometric isomers. The first 5 ionization process energies of element X and Y are Z: 500, 4,600, 6,900, 13,400, 17,600. So they gave us the formula. They say a compound formed between X and Y is, the correct answer for 28 is none. In structure determination, the method that identifies the bond type and functional group in the molecule is, correct answer for 29 is C, infrared spectroscopy. The value of equilibrium constant for the reaction of this formula can be altered by, correct answer is B, increasing the temperature. Which of the compounds below is the most reactive of the nitrating mixture? The correct answer for 31 is A, benzene. The data below is for the kinetic study of the reaction. So they gave us the data. They say from the data, the order of the reaction is. So from this data, you can see that the correct answer for this is D, which is 1. The condensed formula for 2-chloro-2-methyl proposer is, correct answer for 33 is B. Which of the following is a correct definition of atomic radius? Correct answer for 34 is B, which is half the distance between the nuclei of two identical atoms joined by a single covalent bond. Which of the chlorides below will react with water to give its corresponding dioxides? Correct answer for 35 is B. Questions 36 to 45. 10 questions. For each of the questions below, one or more of the response is or are correct. Decide which of the response is correct, then choose. So we are going to answer all of these by choosing the answers from above, okay? So I'm just going to give you the answers. Which properties of the S block elements increase down the groups? So they give us the properties. The correct answer for this is, for 36 is D. D is the correct answer. Hydrogen fluoride is a weaker acid than hydrogen iodide. The reason for this observation is, correct answer for 37 is C. The reflection, correct answer for 30, the reaction, the correct answer for 38 is B. Which of the following gives a color change on warming? Correct answer for 39 is B. A student wanted to measure accurately 10 centimeter cube of dilute hydrochloric acid. Which of the glass wave will you advise the student to use? Volumetric flask, pipette, burette. Correct answer for 40 is A. Same properties of carbon not common to other elements of group 4 are. Correct answer is C. The relative molecular mass of a substance is there. Correct answer for 42 is B. Identify the elements which form hydrates in which hydrogen bonding occur. Correct answer for 43 is A. During the industrial preparation of sulfuric acid, it is usually advisable to. Correct answer for 44 is 2 only. The following is true about sulfur and its compounds. So which one is true? Correct answer for 45 is A. So for 46, you are going to choose whether it is false or true. So they have said F directions. Each of the following questions consists of a statement in the left-hand column followed by a second statement in the right-hand column. Decide whether the first statement is true or false. Decide whether the second statement is true or false, then choose. So I'm going to just give you the answer to avoid reading all of this. The answer for 46 is A. The answer for 47 is B. The answer for 48 is D. The answer for 49 is D. And the answer for 50 is A. So that is it about chemistry, revisions, GCE Advanced Level 2024.